Pretty, huh? Oh.
Oh.
You're doing it. You're doing it.
I love the face.
What's that?
Can you do this on the floor?
There you go.
Then I can see you.
That's from Charlie. Yay!
Oh.
Oh.
That's a good fish.
Good job.
Very nice. And gentle. Thank you. Thank you. It's perfect.
What's in there?
Thank you. We're going to pull off inch, 1 inch at a time. Pretty. Charlie, tell her where you got them. Tell Andy.
We went to Wisconsin. We went to the Frank Lloyd Wright Museum.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, they're Frank Lloyd Wright designs.
Say, oh, yeah, fascinating. Say thank you, Maddie.
Now that you're a big girl eating.
Maddie, say thank you.
Did you thank you?
Say, ooh.
Oh, she goes, now I got the hang of this. I'm looking at the big one now.